Well, good morning, guys. We're going to talk about Jasmy today, but I wanted to dive into ASM real quick because ASM did a pretty good return, and I want to show you the journey of ASM. And I just want to let you guys know real quick, ASM from the lows of like 1,306, that's a penny basically, went all the way up to 0.06368, over 387%. Okay, so did you guys get that? 1,3 to 6,368. On June 5th, I let members know that I sold my XYO for this coin. Sold all my XYO for ASM. Now I sold XYO at 0.01090 and I bought ASM at 2213. Okay. Then obviously ASM went down even lower to the 1.3 level. So let's continue. On July 7th, I let members know that the pain is over soon with ASM. Check out how oversold it is right now. This is the highest risk crypto I hold. Market cap under 40 million. It's AI related. It's looking like it's finding a bottom. Current price 13.20. Let's go back to the chart, guys. I made that post down here when it was at 13.20, literally where my mouse is. Okay. You can see we're very oversold. So I let members know on July 7th, it's looking like it's finding a bottom here soon. And then we can see that 11 hours ago, I said I'm selling half my ASM at 0.06331. So I let members know exactly when I was buying, when the bottom was in, and I told them exactly when I was selling at 0.06331. Where are we at? We go up. This was literally last night before I went out. You can see ASM is just climbing. We hit on this candle. We're at 0.049. We weren't there yet. And then this candle hit 0.06371. 0.06331. So I didn't catch the actual top, but who freaking cares? Come on, guys. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is why you want to be a member, because people take advantage. Tina says you're always right. Thank you. Seth says you're right on again. I was going to wait till 0.08 to take profits, but you almost sold at the very top. I think I'll put back in ASM and so on. And then I walk people through it. After letting you all know about 30 minutes ago, I plan to sell half my ASM at 0.06331, which I did. I put those profits into comp crypto at $50. Congrats on the win if you took advantage. Okay. So you can see that from here all the way down to here, ASM is down 45% now. We're trading right under 4 cents. If I wanted to, I could take that money and buy more ASM and even get even more coins than what I originally had. You know what? It wouldn't be a bad idea because I don't think ASM's run is over. I just wanted to walk you guys through that and show you exactly what I teach. And I would highly recommend, if you're not a Patreon member, take advantage. Go to the link out down below. If you want to meet one-on-one over Zoom, you can join the Gold or Echelon tier. The prices for everything is going up in 2 days. Okay, I posted this. I call that 3 plays that did over 100% gain. Now's the opportunity to join. All new members, July 20th, price is going up. But if you're a current active member, I'll never raise prices on you. So even if you get in today, that will be the price forever as long as you want to stay. Okay, so take advantage, guys. So now, sorry that was a little long. I just had to walk you guys through that journey of ASM. And again, congrats to everyone that took advantage. Let's talk about Jasmy, because Jasmy is another big holding of a lot of people. And I just want to walk you through some of the things that I'm seeing right now. Okay, so Jasmy obviously is still kind of boring. It's trading at 0.017. It hasn't really had a massive move like ASM obviously did over 300% very quickly. So again, you got to take profit. But we have a stochastic that crossed up. We have an RSI that's trading at 51. I'm really looking for it to get up here, even maybe a little higher and create some negative divergence, kind of like what it did right here, right? Like we see the higher high and then it sold off. So I really do believe that this can get up to, I didn't show you guys this on the last video, the 1.618 level, which is 9 cents. Also, if you go over here, let me actually get rid of this. So if I take a Fibonacci level from the high point on this chart, which is about 34 cents, I bring it all the way to the low, which is like 0.002 to 3 or something. You see that the first retracement is 8.5 cents. Okay. So this is really my next target. 8.5 to 9 cents is really what I'm looking for. To probably take profit, to be honest with you guys. Like, I'm in this to make money. I'm not here married to any coin. And if you have the same mentality, you should definitely subscribe. Drop a like. I would truly appreciate that. And let's freaking win, right? So a lot of people, I have a bunch of more texts and posts that I didn't even show you guys. But if you're an Echelon member, I actually personally text you or message you in the Patreon, telling you exactly what I plan to sell, and that's what I did. And people took advantage, and they won big on ASM. Like, even if you bought in at the 2.2 level, you still won big from 2.2 to 6.3 when I sold, right? So we were buying ASM for a long time. We've been holding it, but that's what you do. You buy, you wait, and then you sell when the indicators are telling us to. Okay, and I don't have time today to tell you exactly what made me want to sell ASM at 6.3, but basically it was between the 618, 786 level, and it was very, very overbought on the RSI. So now looking at Jasmy right now, we're not overbought on the weekly. We're at 51. We have a stochastic that's curling up right here, and we have a MACD that's just getting started. It literally just crossed up, guys. So last time this happened, you could see that Jasmy went up massively. When we crossed right here, we went up from 2 pennies all the way to 6 pennies. Not bad. Okay, so like a 200% return. This, I think, is going to be faster and bigger. Okay, we just got to stay patient. This is all we do. We got a bunch of different cryptos. They run. We take profit. We move it into other ones. So obviously with ASM, I moved it into comp at 50 bucks. I feel really good about comp also, but Jasmy's looking great, guys. This doesn't mean that this is the top. This just means this is the next area. And then we just look at the Fibonacci level. So I've always talked to you guys about 14 cents. So that's another area I'm looking for. You can see it's this level on here, and it's a 2.618 level. And then we got the 618 level, which is pretty much my top, is about 22 cents for Jasmy. So I definitely believe that Jasmy can go to 22 cents. The question is it going to be right away, or is it going to do something like this, where we're going to go up and then we come down, we pull back. Maybe we have a bloody like August and September, or maybe even this happens in August, and then September is really bad, and then we push one last time, October, November, something like that. And we have a blow off top right here. And then that's going to be it. And then we're going to enter a severe bear market. It's just my honest opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I want to be 100% honest with you, which is how I see things. And I hope you found from this video and my call out with ASM that I'm pretty knowledgeable. I understand this stuff. And we've done pretty well, I would say. And members have done pretty well. So appreciate you guys for being here always. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. If you want to send me a message, you want to connect, that's the best way to communicate with me. Make sure you give me a follow. And then if you're a Patreon member, you can always send me a message on Patreon. I'll never message you personally on Discord. You got to watch out for scams. I also have X. Link is down below. So, guys, with that, I hope you have a great day and enjoy the weekend. We'll see you on the next one.